Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Xpedition AC line protection kit. This kit fits the 2024 Plus Polaris Xpedition 2 and 4 door models. Install time is around 15 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by installing the rear AC line cover. The cover installs onto these mounting brackets here. First, grab the cover and align the holes. Then, all that is required is to insert these two push clips into the top and bottom mounts, and the rear cover is done. Next, to install the front AC line cover, you first need to remove this factory T30 Torx bolt here. Then, with the bolt removed, grab the front cover, hold it in place, and the top part of the cover needs to slide between the two factory brackets, as you see here. Slide the cover into place, and reinstall the T30 Torx bolt. Tighten it down only part way, and then install the single supplied 4mm Allen bolt, as shown here, and thread on the washer, and 13mm backing nut. Now, go back and tighten down the Torx bolt on top, and then tighten down the 4mm bolt. Your AC lines are now protected from rocks and debris. Congrats, that completes your DRT Xpedition AC line protection install. These Xpedition front AC line protection kit is a key part in helping to protect exposed components of the air conditioning system. The front protection shield that attaches to the AC condenser protects the line and charge port, which are exposed to rocks, sand, and branches from being broken or sheared. The rear protection shield that covers and protects the lines that run by the firewall also protects and deflects elements. They are made of laser-cut aerospace-grade aluminum, formed and welded to provide strong protection against elements. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.